Hey guys, it's Alex and Mac. He is literally exhausted from helping pick out my makeup. I know, Mac, it's exhausting, but look at the camera. Look at it right here. Look at Mac. Right over here. What is that? What is that? Oh, if you guys want to see him help pick out my makeup, try and eat everything, almost bite me, then keep on watching. Mac. Ugh. Ugh. God, you weigh. Woo! Ah! Yep, 65 pounds right here. Full hunk. Ugh. Okay, keep watching.
These are Mac's 3 options. We've got our BB Tinted Primer, we have our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation, and our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation.
Which one? Oh, which one? Oh, I think he went with Shape Tape. He tried to bite it. So, Shape Tape it is. Oh!
Yeah.
No!
For bronzer, it's either our Parka Princess Waterproof Bronzer or our Hotel Heiress Bronzer.
Which one do you like? He likes our Hotel Heiress. For blush, we have the shade Risque, right over here, or Blissful. He's already looking at these, so help. Which one do you want? Okay. Okay. For our palettes, we're gonna use our In Bloom palette and our Tartelette Toasted palette. I need you to pick this one, or wait, or this one, or hey, 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 chill, chill, chill. I haven't even showed you yet. Okay, Mac, I think he's going for the
toasted
palette. Maybe. Oh, now let's see if it blooms. No, it's toasted. He wants a toasted palette.
For our highlight, we're going to use the shade Sparkler or Exposed. Excuse his breathing, he is exhausted from all of this picking.
Mac, you ready for the next one? Sit. Which one? I think you want Exposed. Now for liner, we've got our Tarte Double Take liner. We've got the brown and black. Which one do you want? Mac? Which one? Okay, and black. For mascara, we've got our Light Skimmer Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and it's gorgeous limited edition packaging. And then we have our gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. Do you want this one? Do you want this one? Mac. Which one?
What is that?
What is this?
What is that?
Pick one. I just need you to pick one. Not both.
Ah,
Okay,
gifted.
Oh, gross. Look at it. Oh, no. Last but not least, we have our H2O gloss in the shade Getaway. And then we also have our Quench in the shade Buff. Mac is dying, so this is the last one. Thank goodness, because he needs some major water and AC. I need you to pick one. Last one, okay? Okay, thank you. I got it. You picked this one. Thank you. Going in with our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation in the shade Medium Tan Honey. Now I'm gonna add some blush, bronzer, and highlight in the shade Hotel Heiress for my bronzer, Risque for my blush, and Exposed for my highlight because, of course, my dog told me to. Now for our eyes, I'm gonna use our Tartelette Toasted palette. I'm gonna start with the shade S'mores, or S'more, right over here for my base and transition color. And then I'm gonna add some dimension with the shade Cashmere for my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Latte and Warmth to deepen up my crease.
taking the shade Candle with my finger, I'm gonna apply that to my lid. Just added a quick line to this eye with our Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, and I'm gonna do the same to this side. Now I'm gonna finish it off, my eyes off, with, oops, our gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara, which has slobber and drool all over it. Thank you, MAC. But it's what he picked and what he ate. Now to finish off my entire look, I'm gonna use our H2O Gloss in the shade Getaway. So here we have the final look. Thank you to MAC for helping pick out my makeup. Literally picked out everything. MAC, look at the camera. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, say bye. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.